Hello people, hi, this is Shruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to get into the basics of makeup. Basics of makeup? Oh, that's boring. But before doing any kind of makeup, you need the basics in hand so that your makeup doesn't look patchy or not in place and everything. So in today's video, I've already done my eyes. I am just going to show you the entire glam look that you can just create. So in today's video, we are going to get into the entire base and how I prep my skin, how I go on towards making my skin look flawless with the help of some beauty products that I have. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have not applied anything on my face right now. It's just the eyes that I've done. For the first step, I am going to take my toner, which is Rose Glow Toner from Good Vibes. So there's the toner inside my skin. Now next I'm going in with my serum, which I again have from Good Vibes. This is the Vitamin C and Vitamin B Skin Glow Serum. So I've been trying the entire Good Vibes product since I bought it. Now that the serum is out of the way, I am going in with my moisturizer, which is the last step of my prepping. So I'm using this Kama Ayurveda Iladi Hydrating Cream from Kama. This gives my dry skin some texture and some hydration, which is very much important when you're doing makeup. Always apply your moisturizer upwards and in a circular motion. So I am done with my moisturizer. I'll let my face sit for 2 minutes and then I will go in with my primer. In this short break, I just want to thank you guys for giving so much of love and support on every video. I hope you guys understand that all these things matter to me, the comments, the likes, and also any kind of constructive feedback that you have. You can DM me on Instagram or also you can comment down below so that I can make a video on that. Thank you guys for all the support. Next, I am going in with the NY Bay Primer. I have not seen this primer perform very well, although yes, it is like hydrating and it's not a rubbery texture, but it makes my makeup stay for long hours. So with that, we are done with our priming. Now going in with the concealer or the correcting palette that I have from Wet n Wild Cover All. Just with a finger, I'm using the green color in the same. In the cream color here, I'm just gonna put it. Next, I'm going in with my concealer. So I apply concealer before foundation a lot of times, but it's not my daily routine or something. But then again, we are going for a full glam makeup, so here it is. Take on the insides of my eyes a little. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer that I have in 25 medium. Just gonna let it sit for like 30 seconds or something so that it can perform well. Taking a beauty sponge again. So that's it with my concealer. Now I'm going in with my foundation. So I have this matte poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So you don't want to drag your foundation, even your concealer, you want to put it in your skin so that it can give you a flawless look. So just tap onto your skin.
$2,000 later.
So now I'm done with my foundation. Now I'm going in with my setting powder. It's a Dream Cover SPF 15 mattifying compact. Now let's talk about contouring. So there are a lot of people who ask me like how to contour your face. So first of all, you can take any contour. I have two, the powder one from Sugar and the cream one from NYB. So this is also a bronzer, so I use this more like a bronzer than a contour, and I use a contour stick. So just take a brush, angled brush. What you're gonna do is just measure from your upper part of the ear to your mouth. You get this line, so just and for the nose, so taking the contour stick here and I'm just gonna build a line on the bridge of my nose right here. So what contouring exactly does is, provide your face with a dimension, a structure. So for contouring, I like to go upwards. So just hold the brush, but try to tap on it, not slide it, tap on it. So you can already see, my nose is way thinner now. So now I'm going to bake. Here is the Fit Me powder. Now there are a lot of people who would be thinking, why powder? Why are you setting it with a powder? So you can see how, different it is looking. Your face is getting a different dimension. Now I'm going in with the contour that the bronzer that I have from Sugar. Taking the angle brush again. So just in a circular motion. Now taking that same brush again and wiping the excess off of my face. Now I'm going in with the Oriflame blush that I have. That is that. Now I'm going in with the last step that I have is highlighter. So your Wet n Wild highlighter. Above the apple of my cheek. That is all for my face. Now I'm going to deal with my lips. So I have this lipstick from Nykaa in the shade Bombay. So I'm going to go in with my gloss right here from the one which is Oriflame brand. So that's my glossy lips done. Now going in with the setting spray, LA Girl setting spray. Now for some more dimension, I'm going in with my highlighter again. So you guys can see how this part is lifted. So hey guys, that's all the things that I do to make my makeup last and this is just something that I wanted to do as a makeup artist. I just wanted to put forward this entire way which you can follow to, you know, do a perfect base. It's very difficult to know what to apply, when to apply, how to apply. So this complete video, it's maybe a little longer, but this video will give you a gist of the entire routine that I follow if I want to go for a glam look. So that's all for this video. I hope you really liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Press that notification bell if you want to participate in the polls that I do for the videos on YouTube. You can just follow me on Instagram, which is tagged here somewhere, just like that. That's all for this video. I will see you in my next. Bye.